The most expensive mechanical system in your home is your AIR conditioning. A replacement runs $12,000 to $15,000. Since 2020, equipment prices have jumped 40%. The system in your attic right now is almost certainly undersized, improperly ducted, and losing 20 to 30% of its output before the air reaches your living room. That is not a defect. That is the business model. In the last video, I showed you how builder-grade materials are rotting inside your walls. Today I am showing you the 3 factory secrets the HVAC industry does not want you to audit, and the 3 systems technicians actually install in their own homes. In the 1990s, a properly installed central air system lasted 15 to 20 years. The ductwork was galvanized sheet metal. The compressor was simple. The technician who installed it lived in your zip code. Today, 4 corporations control the residential market. They have raised prices 40% since 2020. Carrier pushed 6 to 8% in 2025. Lennox went up to 10%. Tariffs on imported components are adding another 15 to 30% before the unit reaches the supply house. You are paying dramatically more for systems that last dramatically less. Modern units average 10 to 15 years. In harsh climates, many burn out in 8 to 12. The industry shortened the replacement cycle while doubling the price per cycle. That is not inflation. That is planned obsolescence with a thermostat attached. There are 3 factory secrets. Each one is costing you money right now. Factory secret number 1, flex duct. The single biggest engineering shortcut in residential HVAC. Flex duct is corrugated plastic, cheap and fast to install. In volume-built homes, it is the default. The problem is, it is almost never installed correctly. Builders pay HVAC, subcontractors per house, not per hour. Same piece rate system as builder-grade plumbing, so the duct gets snaked through attics with sharp bends, kinks, and excessive slack. One documented case involved a 19-foot run left with over 40 feet of unstretched duct. Attic temperatures routinely hit 140 degrees, degrading the plastic. The EPA estimates homes lose 20 to 30% of conditioned air through duct leaks. Flex duct is warranted for about 10 years. Sheet metal lasts 25 to 30 years. Up to 80% of homes have duct sizing or installation deficiencies. You pay for 100%, you get 60%. Factory secret number 2. Your system was the wrong size before you moved in. Proper sizing requires manual J and manual D calculations, software analysis of the home's square footage, insulation, windows, and climate zone. Most codes require them. In practice, volume builders skip them and install whatever the subcontractor has in inventory. A system rated for 1,200 cubic feet per minute might deliver 900 through undersized ducts. The blower runs overtime. The compressor cycles too often. Equipment that should last 15 years burns out in 8 to 10. The homeowner blames the brand. The brand blames the installer. The builder incorporated in another state 5 years ago. Quick question, how old is your air conditioning? And has your energy bill been climbing even though nothing changed? Drop it in the comments. I'm betting most of you are going to say it has started around year 5. Factory secret number 3, the refrigerant transition. As of January 2025, all new units must use R454B or R32 instead of R410A. These refrigerants are classified as mildly flammable, and they require new technician training and new tools. The industry is already short 110,000 technicians. Experts project a 20 to 30% increase in installation costs. Meanwhile, R410A supply is shrinking, making repairs on your current system more expensive every year. You are caught between a system that costs more to fix and a replacement that costs more to buy. Neither option benefits you. So what do HVAC technicians actually install in their own homes? Number 3, a properly sized conventional system on rigid metal ductwork, but only if you hire your own engineer to run manual J and manual D calculations, independent of the installer. Insist on galvanized sheet metal in writing. It costs 20 to 30% more up front, and it saves thousands of dollars over the system's life. If your contractor pushes flex duct, they are optimizing for their labor cost, not your system's lifespan. Number 2, a ductless mini-split. No ductwork means no duct loss, no attic degradation, no installation shortcuts. Zone-by-zone control, you cool the rooms you use. Higher upfront cost, $3,000 to $5,000 per zone, but dramatically lower operating costs. This is the technology Japan and Europe have used for decades, while America kept pushing central air through leaking flex duct. Number 1, a high-efficiency heat pump from a manufacturer with a real service network in your zip code. Heat pumps both heat and cool, eliminating the separate furnace. Modern cold climate models function below zero. The key is not the brand, it's the service infrastructure. Call the manufacturer before you buy. Ask for the nearest authorized technician. If the response time is more than 1 week, that brand does not have infrastructure where you live. Here's the rule: size it right, duct it in metal, verify the service. Before you sign any HVAC contract, demand manual J and D calculations. If the contractor won't provide them, walk. Specify rigid metal ductwork in writing. Verify the service network. Call the manufacturer, confirm the nearest technician, and confirm response time. That is the difference between a $12,000 system that lasts 20 years and one that seizes in 8 years. Size it right. Duct it in metal. Verify the service. Your washing machine was designed to fail. Your refrigerator was designed to fail. Your walls are rotting from the inside. And the system keeping you cool was wrong before you moved in. Subscribe, because next I'm covering why everything at Home Depot is getting worse.